We now move to a photo shoot for Kurukshetra The Battle, an upcoming project and one of the first of its kind, bringing the 18-day Battle of Kurukshetra to life in full manga format, with each contributing author giving voice to a character from the epic Mahabharata. The book is set to release at Hyderabad Comic Con 2026 this October. Please join me in welcoming the contributing authors of this upcoming book on stage for a photograph. May we please invite Mr. Manmohan Sadhana, Ms. Purnima Dikshit, Ms. Priyanka Bhandarkar, Dr. Mala Dashgupta Sengupta, Mr. Sandeep Kulshrestha, Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh, Mr. Alvin Loran, Mr. Yogesh Srivastava, Mr. Sanjay Banerjee, Mr. Aryan Majumdar, and Mr. Mahendra Arya. Whoever are present here, please join us on stage for a quick photo shoot for the Kurukshetra The Battle manga. A round of applause, please, as they join us on stage. To come to the stage for the photo shoot of Kurukshetra The Battle. May we have a round of applause for our guest of honor.
अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यह परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
We now move to the release of Lal Chowk, Kashmir, a beacon of knowledge, a unique project bringing together non-fiction stories, facts, reference, history, and poetry that celebrates Kashmir's rich heritage and its past. Please join me in welcoming the contributing authors of this book on stage, along with a copy of the book Lal Chowk, for a photograph, Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh, Mr. Manmohan Sadhana, Ms. Kajari Guha, Dr. Renuka KP, Mr. Aryan Majumdar, Mr. Sanjay Banerjee, Mr. Rohan Narvekar, Dr. Mala Dashgupto Sengupto, Dr. Nalin Rai, and Ms. Momita De. A round of applause, please, as they join us on stage. We now move to a photo shoot for Jai Shri Ram, a premium collection of narratives, stories, and poetry from the adventure of Shri Ram in the Ramayana. Please join me in welcoming the contributing authors on stage for this photograph, Ms. Sri Lakshmi Adhyapak, Mr. Manmohan Sadhana, Ms. Charitha Puligandla, Dr. Renuka KP, Ms. Devika Das, Ms. Udaya Tushara Sudana Gunta, Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh, Mr. Abhitabh Honap, Ms. Priyanka Bhandarkar, Mr. Kiran Kumar Singh, Mr. Sanjay Banerjee, Mr. Aryan Majumdar, Dr. Yogesh A. Gupta, Ms. Momita De, Mr. Yogesh Srivastava, Ms. Geeta Rastogi Gitanjali, Ms. Debanjali Nag, Dr. Dilip Kumar Dash, Ms. Kajari Guha, Mr. Devajit Bhuya, Dr. Mala Dashgupta Sengupta, Ms. Prapti Sharma, Dr. Minakshi Bose, Ms. Shubhasri Vaidyanathan, Mr. Gande Parashuram Rao, Mr. Tarun Saini, and Mr. Alvin E. Loran. A round of applause, please, as they join us on stage. We now move to the release of Abhimanyu, Fight Till Your Last Breath, a premium collection of narratives and poetry built around the warrior Abhimanyu from the Mahabharata, bringing forward both his known valor and the lesser told parts of his story. Please join me in welcoming the contributing authors of this book on stage, along with a copy of Abhimanyu for a photograph. Mr. Madhukar Parekh, Ms. Oindrila Chakraborty, Mr. Manmohan Sadna, Dr. Yogesh A. Gupta, Ms. Theva Kiroba A., Mr. Rahul Manghat, Ms. Momita De, Ms. Priyanka Bhandarkar, Mr. Aryan Majumdar, Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh, Dr. Devika S., Dr. Renuka KP, Ms. Roresia, Ms. Purnima Dikshit, Ms. Shalaka Anish Kering, Dr. Dilip Kumar Dash, Dr. Mala Dasgupta Sengupta, and Ms. Surabhi K. A round of applause, please, as they join us on stage. We now move to the felicitation of the contributors of Hyper Poema Volume 2, a truly remarkable project that has become a new landmark in world literature, bringing together nearly 3,000 poets from more than 110 countries with quatrains presented in 60 languages. Hyperpoem stands as a record-setting collective work centered on the theme of international friendship. What makes Hyperpoem even more special is that it doesn't end here. Reissued annually, it continues to grow, inviting new poets each year to be part of what may well be the largest collective poem in history. To felicitate our contributors this morning, I would like to invite Mr. Arjun Chaudhary to join us on stage. I now call upon our authors to receive their certificates. Dr. Neelam Verma, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Chaudhary, Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh. We have Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh with us. Please put your hands together for him. Dr. Mahesh Bhatt Vismith. I would like to ask our two authors to come together for a group photo session.